Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your snipping tool is not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick steps how to fix it. So the first method is that I'm going to close the snipping tool from the task manager. So I will open the task manager, and then after that I will look for a process called snipping. So type snipping tool.exe, right click and end this process. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the snipping tool again, and after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second method that we're going to try is repair and reset the snipping tool. For that, I will go in the installed app section under system settings, go to this section, and then look for an application called snipping. And after that, go to the advanced option, and then first I will repair this. So before you repair, you have to make sure that the snipping tool is closed, the application is closed. Quickly repair it, and after that, once this is done, we will reset this application. Just quickly reset this application as well, and hopefully after performing this step your issue will be resolved. Now you can open the application again. If the issue is still not fixed, the last method that you can try is reinstall the application. So for that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the PowerShell, open the Windows PowerShell, run as administrator, click yes, and all you need to do is just copy and paste this command, and after that, it will automatically reinstall your snipping tool. So I'm not going to do it because my snipping tool is working perfectly fine. All you need to do is just copy and paste this command. I will provide this command in the below video description. That's it. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.